Hello my dear students, how are you? Today I am here with my 10th number video on coordination chemistry, and today we learn about the geometrical isomerism with coordination number 6. My dear student, in my previous video class we learned about geometrical isomerism with coordination number 4. In that class we had learned one very important trick to determine the number of geometrical isomerism for the given complex. Now, those students who have not watched this video till now, please watch this video and try to do this particular problem. Determine the possible number of geometrical isomers for the following type of complexes. These are the some complexes I have given with coordination number 6. You will try to do it exactly by applying that particular trick. Here I am giving the only answer. Okay, my dear students. So, as many as number of dissimilar pairs will come out if we apply the trick that many number of geometrical isomers. For example, here if this complexes you will see, for this you will get 2, here you will get 2, here also you will get 2, here 3, here 3, here it will be 4, here it will be 5, here 6, 9 and 15. See here my dear student, that is 2, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 9, 15. You can remember just by the 10-digit mobile number, that is 222 3, 4, 5, 6, 9, 1, 5. That will remember. It will be helpful for any competitive exam to find out the number of geometrical isomers very quickly. Okay. One very important point, my dear students, out of these complexes, all the isomers cannot be isolated practically. Yes. For example, if we see M, A, B, C, D, E, F type, here 15 theoretical isomers are possible. It is theoretically possible, but all cannot be isolated. Out of here, I am showing you here. These are the numbers, only answers. This particular type, here 15 isomers are possible, that is only theoretically possible. For the only complex of this type it is found, this is PT, NST, Br, ClI, NO2, Py. And only 3 form of this complex has been isolated so far. So today, mainly we will discuss the very common type of complexes with coordination number 6 and how to draw the structures. Very important. We will go for that. Yes. First of all, what are the conditions for geometrical isomerism for octahedral complexes? My dear students, whenever I show any slide, you please take the screenshot. It will be a study material for you. Number 1, at least 2 types of ligands should be present in the complexes. Second condition, number of same ligands should not be more than 4. That is why, if you see these 2 types, MA6 type and MA5B type, these 2 type of complexes will not show geometrical isomerism. Because here you see, here it is similar type of ligand, more than 4, here also it is more than. Now according to my trick, you will be getting all similar type of pairs, that is set of pairs. Alright, that is why you will not be getting the geometrical isomers. They will not show geometrical isomers. Alright. Now we'll see, before going to discuss the individual type, one very important thing we are going to discuss, the geometrical isomers with coordination number 6, exactly the cis and transposition is what. You will see here the octahedral complex. Here, whenever you place, first of all you take the screenshot of it. This is very important note. In mononuclear octahedral complexes of this particular type, or it may be applicable for other type also, the position 1, 2, you see here, this is the 1, 2 position, 1, 2, or it will be 1, 3, or it may be 1, 4, maybe 1, 5. Yes, similarly 6, 2, 6, 3, 6, 4, 6, 5, all these positions are considered as cis positions, and this position is say 1, 6 positions, 2, 4 positions, and 3, 5. These are transpositions. So how to remember this? You need not bother. It is very easy. Okay, the angle between two cis position must be at 90-degree angle, and angle between two transposition must be at 180-degree angle. We can easily understand. I am showing you. Suppose, see, here this is a octahedral plane, is a equatorial plane, and this is the axial plane. Here you see, suppose this is 1, if you consider, this is 1, this is 6 positions, these are 2, 3, 4 and 5 positions. Always, my dear student, you see, this is 90-degree angles. The plane is making 90-degree angle with this axis. This is a 90-degree angle. Okay, that is why you see, if you 1 and 2, this is the position 2, that is 90 degrees. So 1, 2 position will be cis. Then similarly, here it is 1, 3, that is also will be cis. 1, 4, 1, 5. Alright. Now, what are the transposition? 1 and 6. This is 180 degree angle. So this is transpositions. Similarly, if we keep like this is 180 degree angle. This angle is 180 degree angle. These two positions making 180 degree angle with each other. Similarly, this is 180 degree angle. Okay. So like that, you can remember the position of cis and trans. Now, let us see the individual type and examples. Suppose, if you will be given the complex MA4B2 type, and already I said A, B are monodentate ligands. This is, so such type of one example here you see tetraamine dichlorido cobalt complex, this complex. Basically you will focus how to draw a common type, then easily any examples of such type you can draw. Here you see B2, the similarities you can place in any position. Suppose I am placing here, it is B and B here. What is this position? This is 1, 2 position. This is 1, this is 2 position. And here B and B I am placing 1 and 6 positions. My dear students, there are so many positions in this 90 degree angles. This also 90 degree, this also 90 degree, this also, as I said. So for exam purpose, not to get confused, you remember at least 2 position, that is 1, 2 position cis and 1, 6 trans for your convenience. Alright? Okay. Now see B and B I am placing here the similar ligand. I am placing in the 1, 6 position. Here similar ligand I am placing in the 1-6 position. Now other ligands you place A. Here you place A. So this is cis and this is trans. Okay. You can place here chlorine and chlorine. Here you can place, you see, Cl and Cl and Cl and Cl in this particular these examples. Here it is with cobalt. Here it is cobalt. Here ammonia, NH3, 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 NH3. So this cis 2 chlorine ligand is in 1-6 position. So it is 6 cis and 2 chlorine it is in 1-6 positions. This is in 1-2 position. This is in 1-6 positions. So this is trans. Like that easily you can draw it. Alright. Now we will go for the next one. The type is MAA whole to B2 type. So what is AA, my dear student? AA is a symmetrical bidentate ligand. For example, ethane 1,2 diamine. See, this is symmetrical bidentate ligand which is abbreviated by EN. Okay. Now, in this case, you place 2 monodentate ligand B2 at 1-2 position. If you place it at B at 1-2 position, you see, and here it is B and B at 1-6 positions. Then AA, obviously you have to place here, and this is AA. Yes. Here it is A, you can write like this also, AA. Yes. So this is same ligand at 1-2 positions at 90-degree angle. This is 90-degree angle. That is cis. Same ligand at 180-degree angle. That is trans. Alright. Yes. Okay. Now another unique type of complexes with coordination number 6, that is Ma3B3 type. Here you see, my dear students, here we will say face and mer isomer, facial and meridional isomer, instead of telling that cis and trans isomer. So why do you say like that? Let us try to understand. Here you see 3 similar monodentate ligand A3 and 3 similar monodentate ligand B3 are there. When you will place 3 similar ligand at the face of octahedron. Is an octahedral complex at the face. See here, A, and E. You place here. This is actually face of an octahedron. This. You just try to visualize, try to imagine. This is a face of an octahedron. Obviously, remaining B will be here. That is why it's called facial or face isomer. Facial isomers. So, if 3 donor atoms of the same ligand occupy the adjacent position at the corners of an octahedral face, we have the facial isomers. And when the positions are around the meridian of the octahedron, we get the meridional isomers. What is the meridian now? You see. See, this is the meridian. This or this. Okay. If we place now here A, and A. Okay. This is the meridional plane. Obviously, B will be here. and this is called meridional or Marr isomers. When the positions are around the meridian of the octahedron, we get the meridional isomers. Okay, my dear students? Yes. Now another type is MAA-A2B2 type. Here you see two similar monodentate ligand. Here A2, these also two similar monodentate ligand, and this is a unsymmetrical ligand. Now any two similar monodentate ligand you place at a 1 and 2 positions. Suppose AA I am placing that. Okay. Suppose I am placing here, this is the symmetrical bidentate ligand here. Obviously B I have to place. So this will say cis isomers. 1 and 2 positions, cis isomer, 90 degree angle. Here A and A I am placing here 1, 2, here it is 1, 6. So obviously B and B will be here. Then it will be cis and it will be a trans isomers. Okay. Okay. Now let us see an example. Here, any similar monodentate ligand you place it 1, 2 position. This is NH3, NH2. At adjacent position, 1, 2 position you can assume at 90 degree angle. Here NH3 and NH3 similar ligand at 1, 6 position at 180 degree angle. But Cl2 you can place here. En you can place here. So this will be a cis isomer. Similar ligand with the 90 degree angle. Okay. Here you see Cl and Cl must be here. Then is En. So this is the trans isomer. This is cis, this is trans. So my dear students, I am going to give you some previous year competitive exam questions. So question number 1. Which one of the following complex ions has geometrical isomers? Option A, you will quickly take the screenshot. Option B is this. Option C, option D. Taken the screenshot. Next, question number 2. This will be 2. Which type of isomerism is shown by the octahedral complex? This one. Tetramine, dibromide, cobalt 3 chloride. This complex, so geometrical and ionization, option A. Option B, geometrical and optical. Option C, optical and ionization. Option D, geometrical only. Yes, I can skip it. Now next, question number 3. The number of geometrical isomers that can exist for a square planar complex. Now complex is given here. With now, option A is 4, option B 6, option C 5, and option D 3. Please take the screenshot, my dear students. Yes. So these are some important questions. Only few I could include. Okay. So you will try to do it, and we will be discussing then my next video class, that is optical isomerism with coordination number 6. Okay, my dear student. Thank you. Bye bye.